COVID pandemic has changed several things and a completely different new normal is now in place. Diwali, the festival to ravish variety of traditional sweets, has also changed in line. With more focus on boosting the immunity, focus also now on healthy snacks and alternatives. In fact, people are preferring to even gift such hampers instead of the usual sweets or dry fruits. Mirror Now's Neha Hebale brings us this special report.
Well, it's that time of the year again when, people come out to light diyas and celebrate with family and friends, share sweets, share dry fruits, share, celebrate the happiness. So even this year, of course, we understand that while many of you might not be celebrating Diwali with the grandeur that you probably did in the previous years, there are still plenty of wonderful gifting options available in the market that include chocolates, dry fruits, some immunity hampers as well. So we're basically going to be taking you through that and showing you all of the sweet treats that you can gift to your loved ones this year.
Diwali is incomplete without distributing sweets to loved ones. From luxurious chocolates and mithai to immunity-boosting dry fruit hampers, there's plenty in store this year. With many confectioners working from home for the past couple of months, they've curated some extremely special chocolates and sweets. Meet Priya, one such confectioner who's been making some exciting cracker-shaped chocolates this Diwali. She has curated some special chocolates shaped like diyas, flower pots, rockets, guns and Lakshmi bombs. The packaging is such that these chocolates look like actual crackers.
The orders have started coming in. We usually receive our first set of orders right before Dasara. So by now we're already in the in the whole zone where we're just making chocolates constantly. So yeah, it started for sure.
It's not just sweets and chocolates, but traditionally, dry fruits too have been considered an excellent gifting option. Specially curated immunity-boosting hampers comprising dry fruits, honey, sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds are also a healthy gifting option. Available at Sufia Dry Fruits and Amma Dry Fruit World in Bengaluru.
It's a snack that everybody likes eating. So this is the hamper that I've come up with for immune system, to build our immune system and enhance it so that we can all fight together and take care of each other this Diwali.
Well, many of you may prefer the traditional laddus, gulab jamuns or other sweets as gifting options. We've also shown you the other side and how, the sweets or the dry fruits for that matter, or the chocolates, have really transformed this year, keeping in mind the current times. So you also have that as a gifting option and we'll leave that to you. So here's wishing all our viewers a very happy, safe and prosperous Diwali. In Bengaluru with video journalist Sunil, this is Neha Hebale for Mirror Now.
Well, Diwali celebrations amid the pandemic has seen a major change with Prime Minister's mantra to go vocal for local. People in Mumbai markets have opted for Indian products over Chinese ones. In fact, the sale of Chinese lamps and lights have taken a massive hit in the markets. Here's a report by Disha.
Diwali is all about lights, but this festival is coming at a time of a COVID era where already the Indian government has banned a lot of Chinese products, and this is the market which is known to sell Chinese goods. So here we are before the festival to know what is the sentiment of the buyer here and of course the seller. What is it that the buyers are preferring the most? Is it the Chinese goods or the Indian goods?
Lohar Chaul is one of the busiest and crowded markets of South Mumbai, famous for its Chinese lights and lanterns. Now during festivals, it gets so crowded that there is hardly any space to stand. But things have changed due to the pandemic, and so have the celebrations of the people here. This time around, people have decided to go vocal for local and buy Indian goods instead of Chinese.
इंडियन ही अच्छा लगता है ज़्यादा, चाइनीज़ ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगता। और अभी के इसमें तो इंडियन ही करना चाहिए।
चाइनीज़ का आज यूज़ करो कल थ्रो करो, लेकिन इंडियन कैसा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है, जितना है अपना यूज़ कर सकते हैं इसकी।
According to the shopkeepers here, most customers are demanding Indian light. This has affected the sales of Chinese products.
हर साल ये टाइम पे हम लोग बात नहीं कर पाते थे। ये टाइम पे 20% सेलिंग, 20 से 25% सेलिंग है। और चाइना से माल भी नहीं आया है जो हम इंडियन बनाते हैं। इंडियन का लॉकडाउन में माल नहीं मिलने की वजह से वो भी नहीं बन पाया है। तो ये टाइम माल भी शॉर्टेज है और कस्टमर भी नहीं है।
चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर नॉट रिलायबल ऑल्सो, और इंडियन सेंटिमेंट्स अभी चाइना इंडिया का इतने प्रॉब्लम चल रहे हैं, तो वर्ल्ड वाइड चाइना हैज डन समथिंग रॉन्ग, तो इन दैट वे।
On the other hand, there are a few buyers who are opting for Chinese goods for better variety.
प्रॉब्लम ये है कि इंडियन प्रोडक्ट में ये सब जो अभी मिल रहे हैं लाइट्स, वो इंडियन प्रोडक्ट में नहीं मिल रहे हैं। तो दिवाली तो मना नहीं है, तो कोशिश करते हैं कि जितने हो सके उतने इंडियन प्रोडक्ट लें, बट कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती है कि जो नहीं मिलती हो मजबूरी में लेनी पड़ रही है।
मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो स्मॉल केसेस वाले सब जो ये हैं बिजनेसमैन हैं, डेवलपर्स हैं, सब ये जो बनाते हैं, तो उनको थोड़ा आप कुछ सब्सिडी देंगे तो यहाँ पे आपको सब इंडियन माल दिखेगा।
The pandemic has changed many things this festive season. Chinese items such as lights, gift items, lamps, and wall hangings, among others, saw a massive decline in sales because people are opting for Indian goods. With video journalist Sanjay Ranjit, Disha Shah for Mirror Now.